Yo, I'm BJ Gaddour and I'm getting old as fuck. I turned 40 this month, and to celebrate my birthday, I've made the top 40 Fit Over 40 exercises list with my good buddy, Chris Warren, a local LA videographer and cinematographer. We spent all day shooting these clips. I think you're really gonna enjoy this video, so stay tuned for an epic, probably 40+ minute video, but every minute is jam-packed with information that can help you make a change today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/BJ Gaddour. I can't wait to share this with you. These are the moves I'm personally investing in my body, my mind, and my soul for the next 40+ years. God willing. Peace.